Hi guys.
ನಿಮಗೆ ಉಸಿರಾಟದ ತೊಂದರೆ ಜ್ವರ ಅಥವಾ ನೆಗಡಿಯ Hi Deepti. Yes, hi Deepti.
Good afternoon, everyone. We will be starting in another minute or so. Yeah.
Super.
Hello, everyone. A very good afternoon to you all. My name is Ashwini from Valid Initiatives, and I, on behalf of the entire team, welcome you all to this session. The children on the call, your fathers, your mothers, and all those who are accompanying you, a very warm welcome to you all. I'm so happy to see you all. And we are here gathering virtually to celebrate so many occasions today. It's International Yoga Day, it's International Music Day, and most importantly, it's International Father's Day as well. So, Valid Initiatives is based out of Bangalore, and we work on values and life skills education and socio emotional learning for young children, youth, adults, teachers, and parents. And we intend to create a world where human values and well being are of prime importance to all. And this will lead to happiness, more success, and happy and loving relationships, is what we believe in. So we work with schools, corporates, organizations, groups of people, and individuals like you. And today we are more than happy to host this session on this special occasion of Father's Day. So here we are to experience the Design DIYs with Dad event. And I would like to introduce to you all our educator, Deepti Bhandari, who will be guiding us through the session. You can see her waving. And before I hand it over to Deepti ma'am, I would like to put out a couple of requests to all the parents and the children on the call. So we are all here to experience something very special and fun. So in order to make it a very fun experience for everybody, let's follow certain things, okay? So throughout the session, I request you all to stay on mute, and that will keep away all the noises around us from disturbing everyone, okay? And at any given point of time, if you wish to share something, say something, or ask something, you can just type it out in the chat window. You will find it on the right hand side of your screens, either on your phones or your laptops. So you'll also have an option of thumbs up. So you can use that to answer to questions when man asks, did you understand? Are you with me? Etc. Okay. So try using that as well. And last but very importantly, this is your day, and we are here with you to make it special.
Don't do
So
that.
we request all of you to actively participate along with your father and have loads of fun. Okay. So with this, I welcome Deepti ma'am to take over the session and start us off. Thank you so much. I will see you at the end of this session. Deepti, over to you. Dipti, unmute yourself, please.
Hi, Ashwini. Thank you so much. Thank you, Valid Initiatives, for having me. Hi, everyone. I'm Deepti Bhandari, your DIY specialist for the next 40 minutes. I'm so happy and so excited to share this beautiful, wonderful day with all of you. And today, as Ashwini mentioned, we have 3 important days, but we are here to celebrate Father's Day. How about you guys? What did you do? Did you have your lunch? Did you have your lunch? Show me a thumbs up if you had your lunch. Did you have the lunch with daddy? Did you have lunch with daddy?
Yes, ma'am.
Good job. So I hope all the fathers are here as well. I can see a very few videos on. If you can switch on your video, that'll be great. I would love to see all the children along with their daddies. Are the daddies joining in? Aditi, is daddy coming? Chirag, Shweta, Akshay, Ragini, Khushi, Adya, Reva, Radha, and Asha. Okay, no problem. So today we will do 3 activities. You can definitely do them with daddies once you have daddies along. Let's start with the first one. I just want you to prep up for the activity. It's the very difficult activity. I'm telling you, you have to be very, very quick and intelligent about the activity. Okay, all of you, I'm sure because there was instruction to have some pen and pencil and everything. If you can just grab a pencil and a paper for you and daddy. So we need 2 papers and 2 pencils, one for daddy, one for child. To all the daddies whom I can see, a very, very, very happy Father's Day. I know it's like for children, for me also to see my dad today, I feel so happy and elated. So yeah, I'm sure all the kids are excited. Okay, so now the first thing we are going to do is a question and answer round. Okay, so children, you have to listen very carefully. You have to give answers and daddy also will give the answers for the same question, but you cannot show your answers to each other. Okay, understood? I want a thumbs up. I'm going to ask 5 questions about daddy. So I'm going to ask you 5 questions about your dad. I want you to write answers. I want daddies to write the answers, and let's see which answer matches. It's like knowing your dad better. Are you ready? Adya, Prithvi, Chirag, are you ready? Good job. So Muranmai Kundar. Yes, thank you, Akshay. Thank you, Khushi. Okay, the first question about your daddy is, what is his favorite food? No cheating. Daddy is no giving away the answers. What is your daddy's favorite food? The second question is, what is his favorite color? The third one is, what is his favorite sport? What is his favorite sport? Yeah, Chirag, you can write down the answers and later ask daddy the same. The fourth one is, who is his, no cheating, no cheating. Who is his favorite cricketer? Okay, I'm repeating the first 4 questions just in case you missed. What is his favorite food? What is his favorite color? What is his favorite sport? And who is his favorite cricketer? And the 5th question, whose answers I would like you to exchange as soon as you finish writing, because the rest 4 you can discuss after the class. I want you to discuss this answer with him right away. Once you finish writing your answers, that is, what is his favorite memory or vacation with you?
Ma'am, can you repeat the questions once?
Yeah, favorite food, color, favorite color, favorite sport, and favorite cricketer. Okay, Chirag? Chirag, thumbs up, please. Yeah. And the last question that I want you to write the answer and discuss with him right away is, what is his favorite memory or a place of vacation that you all have visited together? And check whether your answers are correct. Hey, Adya, how about your answers, Adya? Did it match? Did the memories match? Krithvi, did your memories match with daddy? And the rest, if you are with your daddies, did your memories or did your answers match with their memories? Okay, moving, show me a thumbs up if I can move forward. No? Yes, Chirag, tell me. Type in, type in, type in. So I'm moving forward. I am, yes, Chirag, you can type in your question. Oh, Daddy is here. Okay, Chirag, you and Daddy can just do this a little later because we might run out of the time otherwise. Because it's a DIY, I need some time. You can do the first activity with Daddy once the class is over, okay? I've written the 5 questions, he has it with him. Okay, guys, moving forward, I'm just sharing my screen with you. Can I have the host allow me share the screen, please? Yes. Happy Father's Day. Are you all able to see the screen? Thumbs up if you can see the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
So any idea what we are going to make today? You have any idea?
No, ma'am.
Yeah, I think greeting card, ma'am.
Okay, greeting card. Not a bad guess. Yeah, okay. Before we start, I asked you about his favorite memory and vacation, right? Get the answer from him if it's wrong and keep it ready. We will need it after the class. You will need it after the class. We are going to do a DIY photo frame. That's why I asked you about the memory. You can take the picture of the same memory and put it in your DIY frame. Now, DIY means do it yourself, but I have named it to be do the improvisation yourself. So once we will learn how to do this, you can definitely improve your DIY after the class. You might add some elements, you may not require some elements. It totally depends upon you how you want to do it. I will call it as a do improvisation yourself class so that once you finish, yes? Yes?
Ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, if there is no tie, it's okay.
Yeah, it's okay. You can learn from me, but later you can practice once you have the tie. You can check a YouTube video or something and learn how to do it. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Be to the session. It's always fun to be there from the beginning till the end. So these are the materials you will require. Some cardboard sheets. So I have taken these thin kg cardboard sheets.
Ma'am, how many?
One.
One for both.
You're making only one for now. Later, if you want to make, you can make another one. We need only one.
Okay, thank you.
Can you unmute? I cannot hear you. Yes, Aditi?
Ma'am, actually, can we take A4 size sheet paper?
Yeah, you can take, Aditi. You can learn how to make it. But if you have to make it a little sturdy, you need to use thin kg cardboard. You can learn how to make it. That's what exactly I'm telling. Learn how to do it, but improvise it later. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Ma'am?
Yes, Chirag? I can't hear you. Yes, Yukta, you want to say anything? So these are the materials you will require. Cardboard paper, scale, glue, pencil, color pencils or sketch pens or crayons, and scissors. Can we go to the first step?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Can all of you show me your A4 size sheet? You are not here. Yeah.
Ma'am.
Good job. Now the first step is, can you see these 4 corners? 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you see these 4 corners?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, your video is paused.
No, ma'am. You can go on.
You see these four corners?
Yes.
Yes, yes, Chirag. Every corner we need to draw one rectangle. Am I clear? Now, how do you do this? Like this. I will share the measurements. Don't draw unless I tell you. We are going to draw a rectangle like this. Now, the measurement for the rectangle is going to be, I'm going to type in the chat box also. 3.7 centimeters length and 3.3 in the breadth. 3.7 centimeters length. I'm typing it in the chat box in case you don't hear me. 3.7 centimeters length and 3.3 centimeters in breadth. I want each one of you to draw four triangles like this, four rectangles like this. 3.7 here, 3.3 here. 3.7 here, 3.3 here. 3.7 here, 3.3 here. 3.7 here, 3.3 here. Any questions, shoot it to me. You can ask me again. If you've understood, show me a thumbs up. Adya, I cannot see it properly though. Yeah, good job, Adya, good job. I want four rectangles like that in every corner. Prithvi, daddies, you can help your children. Remember, we are just learning how to do. We don't want perfect masterpieces. I'm telling you, we can improvise it after the class. First, let's learn how to do it. And this is going to be the most simplest and effective photo frame ever because we are using only paper for this. So you don't need too many materials. Okay, so we need four rectangles like this, 3.7 centimeters in length and 3.3 in the breadth. Have we done that? Yes, Yukta, yours is correct. Show me neatly, Yukta. I got confused between Yukta and Adya. Show me, Yukta. Yes, Yukta, good job. I want you to do four, one in every corner. Krithvi, have you understood what you have to do? 3.7 centimeters in length. Anushka, are you doing it? Good job. Okay, now the second step. Once you finish drawing the four rectangles, can I move to the second one? Yes. Aryan, we need to cut. That's my favorite thing in art and craft is to cut. It makes me feel so nice and calm. So after you draw the four rectangles, you need to cut those rectangles. Cut the rectangles that you have drawn. So I finished cutting one. I'm cutting the second one as well. Cut the rectangles that you have drawn. Yes, good job, Muran Mai. I'm so sorry, I'm not able to read it. Yes, good job, good job. Kundar, good job. Cut all the four rectangles. Once you cut, it's going to look something like this. Yukta, any doubt? Krithvi, I am waiting for you. Good job, Radha. I like it. Chirag, you have any doubt? I will wait, Chirag. Yes, tell me. Aryan, you need any help? Shweta, you need any help? Adya, are you understanding? Good job. Good job, Aditi. Superb. Yukta, yes, what is the help I can do? Your screen has been paused, Yukta. Please let me know what is the help you want. Can you unmute me? Yes, Yukta? I can't unmute you, but you can tell me.
Ma'am, like this.
Hi, Yukta. I want a rectangle, Yukta. It should be like this.
Like this.
Your voice is not audible, Yukta.
Ma'am.
Yes, Anushka, good job. Good job, Adya. Yes, Yukta. Can you
Ma'am, I
type?
can't see.
Ma'am, like this.
Yes. Shweta, good job.
Ma'am, it's just like this.
Akshay, good job. Akshay, yeah, good job. Khushi, good job.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Good job, guys. Good job, Chirag. Good job, Prithvi. Can I move forward?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yeah, guys, you all who are, I will wait for you. For the rest of you, can you just find a long pencil like this? Long pencil, pen, anything, something long. Keep that ready. We will need it in some time. Now, the others, show me your sheet of paper.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Yeah, Yukta, you take your time. I'm there with you. Don't worry. I don't want others to wait. Don't
Okay,
draw
ma'am.
what I'm doing. I'm just showing you. Each of your sheet will have 4 extended flaps like this, correct? 1 flap, 2 flap, 3 flap, 4 flap, correct? Show me a thumbs up. You've understood? Each of us have 4 flaps like this, correct? Now, what I want you to do is, now it's the most great part of the event, colors. I have colors, sketch pens. You can take crayons, pencils, color pencils, sketch pens, yes. I want you to decorate only these 4 flaps. 1 flap, 2 flap, 3 flap, 4 flap. Only the 4 flaps. I'll show you something like this. I've drawn lines somewhere.
Hello?
Yes?
I just came now.
No problem, Pravina. You can just see us from here and you can continue. After
What we need?
we need the A4 size sheet. After that, I will give you an instruction. Let me just finish with them. I will tell you
Need a page.
just a page.
Not A4 size page is okay.
You can try. You can try.
Okay, I'll get it. Wait.
You can do designs like this only on the flaps, guys. So you can. I've done a circle and a dot. Somewhere I've drawn lines. Somewhere I've drawn again the same thing. Somewhere lines and dots. Take 2 minutes. Finish the decoration as and how, whatever you want to do, creativity. You can do anything and everything you like. There is no restrictions. Let me also try. Yes, Chirag. I can't unmute you. You can type.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 1 second, ma'am. Ma'am, send, ma'am, what we have to do?
You have to decorate it or color it like this. Only on the flap.
Only on the corners.
Yeah, only on the flaps. These extra flaps, na? That one.
Okay.
Pravina, we can just tell you that we've just made a cutout like this out of paper. We've made 4 rectangles and we've cut it. Now I made according to the A4 size sheet. If you don't have, you can do something else. You can just try some other combination of measurement. Yes, Adib, you can please show me your sheet? Nagraj, yeah, good job. It's a little not straight, but that's okay. Nagraj, it's fine. Now you have to decorate. Decorate. I'm also decorating, you also decorate. So I'm not very good with creativity. I just know how to make circles and straight lines. You guys can do whatever you feel like doing, however you feel like doing. You want to write your dad's name, but that will not be seen. You have to draw lines and circles. You can do that. I have drawn some circles, some lines. If you want, you can only color that much like this. You can only color also like this. 4 different colors. It's all up to you. Can we move ahead? We might run out of time. Remember, this is do improvisation yourself. Baad mein you can improvise. Yes, Akansh, Anushka. Good job, Anushka. Good job. All the 4 sides done? Okay, no problem. Do the other 2 sides. Yes, Miss Kundar. It looks good. Good job. Do the other 2 sides. Krithvi. Everybody understood, right? What you have to do. Shreya and Shaurya, Kavya Kumari, Kasturi, Manan, Savita, Ashwini, Reva, Nagraj, Kushi, Radha, Aryan. Are you all? Yes, Pravina? Good job, Krithvi. It looks beautiful. Yes, Pravina? Adya, aage chale? Can we go ahead, guys? So this is your sheet. You can just have a look. You can continue drawing later. This is your sheet. I want you to turn it upside down like this. Turn it like this. Keep it down like this. Keep it down like this. Your designs should be on the table. Plain page should be in front of you. Plain page should be in front of you. The designs go under the table. I mean on the table. Like this. Okay? Understood? Now comes the next part. The long pencil part. Take your long pencil and roll only the flaps. Only till the flaps like this. All the 4 flaps you need to roll. Tightly you have to roll like this. Right now I can't see what you guys are doing. I hope you can hear me. Tightly you have
Ma'am?
Yeah? Yes, Pravina?
Yes, I didn't understand.
So Pravina, you need to wait, my love, because we are in between of something. Let me just finish this. I'll quickly give you a recap.
Okay.
Yes, Asha? Yeah, good job, Aditi. All the 4 sides. All the 4 sides I want you to roll. Okay, now have a look at what am I doing, guys. Yes, Adya? You have to release also, yes. Just see what I'm doing, guys. Everyone, fingers on my screen, eyes on my screen. So I'm rolling. Tightly I'm rolling twice. Now I'm taking the glue. And I'm putting the glue here at the edge where I finished my rolling. I put the glue where I finished my rolling. Here. Like this. Okay? The same thing I repeat for the next 3 sides. So I glue it here, I roll it up. I glue it here, I roll it up. I glue it here, I roll it up. Any doubts? Any questions? Can we just quickly roll it up and stick it? I'm doing it this side on my screen. You can see. Praveena, for you, I'm just giving a recap. We took a sheet and then we cut out 4 same size rectangles here. The size of our rectangles was 3.7 in length and 3.3 in breadth. It's written in the chat box. I cut those rectangles and I get something like this. If I get my rectangles, I get something like this. Okay? Once I get that, I decorate the flaps. I roll it and I stick them. You have any questions? Can you repeat it at home later? Good job. Now what we are doing is we are rolling and sticking it.
Ma'am, ma'am, ma'am,
Yes. Hello.
ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can you please wait?
I will wait, but I need to even hurry up at the same time because we are running out of time. You can definitely ask me your questions on the chat box. I will get back to you.
Ma'am, that you wrote that daddy is the best. Ma'am, that you should write at the last.
No. Yeah, we have to. I've written daddy is the best. You can stick your favorite memory. I told you a photograph. You can stick your photograph here. You can draw a a picture or a memory with your dad, or you can just write what you want to write for him. I have just done it to show you guys that what you can do here. You can stick a photo. This is a photo frame is ready. Now for improvisation, I told you if you want to make this last, behind put something sturdy like your notebook, cardboard or something, it becomes sturdy and you can keep it for a longer time. Okay, are you guys understanding my points? You need me to, you want anything from me, explanation again?
No, ma'am, it's clear.
3 things you can do here. One thing, you can draw something for your daddy. Second, you can stick a photograph. Third, you can write something for him. Adya looks super excited. Wow, this is such a beautiful picture, Adya. Super picture. Wow, Asha, very nice. That's a beautiful picture. I must say, you guys are ready, huh? Super, Aditi, super. You need to re-roll it and stick it after the class because right now it will keep coming off. Okay, make sure it is sturdy, then stick your pictures. Any doubts? Can we like finish the DIY here? And next, I will want all the papas to be present for sure to help me. Praveena, you can go grab a tie, a necktie from daddy's cupboard and come quickly for the second one. Guys, all of you, can we move ahead? Give me a thumbs up and get a tie ready. I'm sharing my screen with you guys, and so I will not be able to see you guys, but you can definitely see my screen. So we did this. Now the second thing, there is not, I cannot even ask you to guess what we are doing because I've already spilled the beans. A tie with dad. We all are going to do tying with our dads. I'm stopping to share the screen and I'm back again. Yeah. So can we move ahead, Chira? Can we finish that later? Have you understood how to make it? Because we have this 40 minutes ka ghanti going. We need to finish before the Zoom stops us. Good job, Pravina. Good job, Prithvi. I like it. It's beautiful. You don't have a tie, Adya. No problem. You can be with us and later you can do it with daddy, okay? Now, before I start the session of teaching you how to tie a tie, I want to say that I feel that, I don't know how many of you will agree, when you see your daddy with a tie, don't you feel it looks like a responsibility on his shoulder? Show me a thumbs up if you've understood what I'm asking. Hey, that's already made, Chirag. We learn how to make. Yes, Anushka, thank you, thank you, thank you. Yes. A tie makes us feel that daddy has so many responsibilities on his shoulder. And the day we are able to share his responsibility, that day will be a true Father's Day for us. So let's start learning how to tie a tie, because one day when we share the responsibilities, that is going to be the true Father's Day for each one of us. Yes, Pravina, you look so excited. Okay, now, so I'm going to tell you two things. This is called the motu. This is called the patlu. Okay? Motu patlu ki jodi. Now, take the patlu should be in your left hand side. The motu should be on your right hand side. Put it over your shoulders. Dads, even you can do it with them or you can help them when I get stuck, huh? Because I don't every day tie a tie. I've learned only to teach them how to tie a tie. So guys, the patlu should be on your left hand side. The motu should be on your right hand side. On your right hand. Okay. Now, take the motu over the and the patlu should be this short. It should come till your neck here. This short. Okay. Take the motu over the patlu and make an X like this. Make an X like this. Yeah. Good job, Pravina. Make an X like this. Good job. Now your patlu is in your left hand and this X is in your right hand. Correct? Are you holding the X in your right hand? Remember, you should not leave the right hand. Otherwise, your tie will become loose. Hold the right hand tightly. Now take the motu below and around your X like this. Below and around your X like this. And then hold it again. Hold the right hand again. Like this. Below and above your X. Have you got it? Tightly you should hold. Second time again, the motu goes below and goes around and he takes another turn like this. Same turn again. And hold it tightly again. Got it? With me? All of you? Okay. Now, take the motu. Can you see there's a gap here? Here, this is the gap I'm talking about. Take the motu under and above. Go from inside and come outside. Not go from down and come up. Don't go from up to down. Go from down and come up like this. Okay. Now, do you see there is a gap here? Did you find the gap here? Put the motu inside that gap and pull it out. Pull it slowly, pull it slowly, pull it slowly until it becomes tight enough. Did you get this? Anushka, what happened? It looks like a muffler on your neck, a scarf on your neck. Good job, Pravina. Good job, Nagraj. Good job, Shreya. Good job. Chirag is under the process. I love the way Chirag and Pravina's dad are continuously being there with them. I'm so happy. Thank you, sir. Good job, Radha. Do you want me to do this again once with you, or we are moving to the second knot? This is called the, oh, what is it called? Even I forgot. It's called 4-in-hand knot. It's called a 4-in-hand knot. Okay? Or the double knot. Do we do the second one? Do we do the second one? Okay. So if you have to check whether the tie that you have tied is correct or not, only pull the left hand side. Only the left hand side you pull out, not the right one, only the left. Pull out the left hand side and tada, there is no knot. If there is no knot, then your tie is right. Good job, Adidev, good job. Okay, next let's go to the second one. Pratt knot. This is called the Pratt knot. Again, the same thing, motu patlu in your left hand, motu in your right hand over the shoulder. The first step is same, make an X. Your patlu should be only this long. Take the motu over the patlu and make an X. Okay, all of you stand with us. Be still with the X. Hold this tight. Hold the motu on your left hand. Hold the motu in, and this time the motu will first go in and come out. Motu will first go in and come out. It'll come over the X like this. It'll come over the X like this. Hold this again tightly, very tightly. Don't leave the X. It took me 2 days to understand that the main crux in tying the tie is here. Hold this tightly. Tie the X. Hold the X tightly. Okay. Once you do this, now the same thing, the first step is it goes around and comes up. So the motu goes around the knot like this, below the knot, around the knot and comes up like this. Hold it again tightly. Okay. Again, the same thing. He goes around and under the X. Okay. Oh. I think I have forgotten. No. Yeah, it goes around and under the X comes up like this. The motu goes inside the gap like this. Oh, no. Sorry. Okay, do you have your X like this? It goes below, goes and comes out in the gap. The last step of the first thing, it goes inside the gap and then comes out here. I'll show you once again.
We may have to wind this up in a minute, please.
I'll just show you one last time. Motu over the patlu and inside and outside. There is this, just hold this tightly, goes around. Hold it again tightly. Now this time it goes around and comes in from the gap like this. You can see another gap created here, another knot created here. Put the motu right inside this and pull it out. adjust it, and it's ready. I hope yes, Chirag was ready before me. Thank you, Adya. It looks beautiful. Thank you, Praveena. You look so nice with the tie. Very nice. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Radha. You need a little help, but I'm sure Daddy will help you once he's back. Okay, guys, you have any other questions? Did you enjoy the class? I enjoyed a lot. Thank you so much for being here. To all the fathers, a very, very, very happy Father's Day. And one thing I did realize during the lockdown and pandemic, that for so long we were taking our family for granted, but the lockdown made us come very, very close. And now I don't take my family for granted. My family comes first. That's my priority. Happy Father's Day to all of you. Let's all become as responsible one day as our father and share the responsibility with him. Thank you, guys. Thank you for being here. Bye. And thank you, Dipti. This is back to you. The forum is to you.
Thank you, Deepti. Thank you so very much. I did this along with my child too, and I know how much fun I had. It was wonderful. I'll share the pictures of the photo frame with you. Thank you so much. And to all the fathers and children over there, I hope you guys had a great time doing this activity. I will take another few minutes of yours. Okay, so I will do some screen sharing. Okay, and Chirag, hold on, another 2 minutes. Okay, so we have a couple of things what we do offer for children as child mentoring programs or short-term courses. So kids, if you can quickly call your mommy or papa along, it's going to be great. I'll give you a minute. Quickly call mommy or papa. I'll share some important information. Okay.
Also, guys, if you can share your pictures of the photo frame on our website, on our Instagram and Facebook, it'll be great. It's at validinitiatives.in. Oh no, just Valid Initiatives on Facebook and Instagram. Please share the picture, Chirag, with us on our Instagram. Good job, Anushka.
Okay, you can all see my screen, right? Deepti, my screen is seen?
Yes, it is.
Perfect. Okay, so we have a couple of things for the younger age group. So this is for children between 4 and 8 years. Maybe you have little brothers or sisters. So we have something called the Stoga for them, okay? Which is storytelling along with yoga. It is a super fun event. So we have this happening on the 24th of June, okay? So you can find my phone number and my email ID written over there. So quickly ask your papas or mamas to take a picture of that. So if they're interested, they can always write to me or call me on that number, okay? So that is Toga for the little ones. We also have something called the musical storytelling, which is a story along with a lot of music in it. We have drums, we have trumpets, we have a lot of sounds that the storyteller is going to make. Okay, that is again for age group 4 to 8, and that's happening on the 27th of June. Now, something interesting is coming for all of you. Okay, this is for your age group. It's called the Great Indian Story. Can you hear me? Give me a thumbs up if you can hear me. Perfect.
Just change the slide, Dipti.
Yeah, so this is called the Great Indian Story. Okay, so you all have seen the Mahabharata and the Ramayana, right? Why isn't it moving to the slide?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so you all saw the Mahabharata and Ramayana recently on the television, right? So here we will share stories from the Ramayana and Mahabharata with you, but not just the story. We will talk about a lot of characters in the story, a lot of scenes in the Mahabharata and Ramayana, and we'll relate it to your real life. Okay, so we will talk about courage, we will talk about integrity, we will talk about various other values and life skills, picking up these short stories from Mahabharata and Ramayana. Okay, so this happens for about 5 days, starting from 24th of June until 28th of June, daily for 1 hour. Okay, if any of you, it is a fabulous way of knowing Ramayana and Mahabharata and also learning so much from it. Okay, then we have something called the Platinum class. Okay, this is all about life skills, how to manage your time better, how to become a better leader, how to communicate with people nicely, how to improve your self-esteem, how to improve your self-confidence, all of this. Okay, these are all so important Is this all important? Yes? Cool. So we have a 5-day session on all these life skills that we'll be training you, which is going to be for daily 1 hour. And this is starting on the 24th of June. Okay. If any of you would like to know more details or register for any of these courses, call us on the number there or write to us on the email ID. Okay. We also do a lot of child mentoring. Okay. Here we will handhold your children. We will give them the necessary guidance and support. It could be for a period of 1 month. It could be for a period of 2 months, 3 months, 6 months. Okay. So we have different courses ranging from 1 month to 9 months. And these are child mentoring courses. So here we have both individual child mentoring, where one mentor is going to spend time with only your child. And we also have group mentoring classes. So again, as I mentioned, you could reach out to me for more information on the child mentoring courses also. So for your age group, definitely we have the Great Indian Story, which is stories from the Ramayana and the Mahabharata. We have the Platinum class, which talks to you about the necessary life skills and equips you with tools and techniques on how to use them. And we have the child mentoring courses. Okay, not just for children. We have a lot of sessions for parents, teachers, and adults. It could be your mothers, fathers, adults, grandparents. So we have a lot of sessions for anybody in your family. Okay. So if you would like to know more about all this, I hope you're all quickly capturing the information on your phones. Okay. Just take a picture of the phone number and the email ID mentioned there and quickly reach out to us and we will share all the necessary informations with you. Is that okay? Yes, Chirag, you have something? Please write on the message. Okay, cool. So now I'm also sharing a little feedback form with you, okay, on the chat section. If you can quickly fill in that feedback form, we would love to know how the session went. So if you can fill in that form, we will quickly exit the session so we can prepare ourselves for the next session. Is that okay?
Akshay, to your question, the link will be also sent on your email IDs and the phone numbers that you have registered with us for this program. Deepti, you have a message from Mahi.
Okay. I am not able to share the form, Ashwini. If you can do that for me, please.
Oh, okay.
I'm not able to go to the chat section.
I think, Deepti, let's end the call right now, and then maybe we could send the form a little later.
Okay,
on
I will
the
share the
WhatsApp
form
group.
on the WhatsApp group. Okay,
Yeah.
quickly share us your feedback. And also, if you would like us to contact you for the further courses that I just mentioned about, and somebody from our team will reach out to you. Is that okay? Great. Thanks, guys. You guys have been great. I hope you all had a great time. Bye. Thank you, Deepti. Thank you so much for facilitating the session.